So I says to Mavis, it says, hey Mavis, how about a box of crayons?
Yeah. I don't think so.
No?
It's delicious. Hey. It's great.
Sure.
Hey.
Show me how great it is with facial expressions.
Just like you might throw up. Now, how did you like it?
They're delicious.
I sent him his letter. I sent him the letter because I didn't care what any of
It's delightful.
I'm
A
sure too.
right
Tea bag. It's too bad that now we have to.
Oh, my English tea bag!
It's too bad that now.
whatever there. And you think start?
It was on top of the house. You can't tell anyone! I need to warn them! You won't believe what we just saw. We just saw some crazy stuff, man. Some crazy stuff. I mean,
It had talons.
we all need to keep low because that thing is in the air.
Just go to the
That
base.
thing is in the air.
If it comes back, what do we do?
Don't look behind you, Hollies! Oh no!
Leaving Jeff's house, and we just saw this huge, like, devil bird
On the
with
roof.
talons on the roof.
On the roof.
Jeff, it's coming! It's coming, Jeff! Ah, damn it! We're gonna Jeff, what are we gonna tell my mom? It's right there!
We can't keep living in this. I just
So
want to
ridiculous.
leave, please.
Dude, it's right there! It's right there!
What? There was nothing. I didn't see anything. Did you? I didn't see anything. Eric, you're overreacting. There was nothing there. Wait. Oh my.
Quiet!